Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar Mohanty. I am an educator at Mentor for you. So in today's class, we will understand how we will solve this particular question because this question is a part of a special series which is known as Taylor series. In this Taylor series, what happens? We will try to first write the numerator in terms of denominator, and so that we can separate the two terms. Like there are two terms in the denominator, we will try to find out in terms of 1 by a into b, and we'll write the numerator in terms of b minus a. As a result, what can happen? I can separately write 1 by b minus 1 by a. That is the term of particular Taylor series. So by differentiating or by writing in a different way of 1 by b minus 1 by a, what is the advantage that I'm getting? Since there are many repeating numbers within this particular series from n equals to 1 to n equals to infinite, what we can do in this particular situation here, we can take out all the particular repetitive terms. Since we have written this in a particular of 1 by b minus 1 by a, what we can see is that there are many repeating terms in summation of 1 by b and in summation of 1 by a. So since 1 by b minus 1 by a, all the repeating terms that is present in terms of b and in a will get cancel each other, and as a result, with the sum of infinite series, I will be able to reduce this series in summation of few numbers or few terms. And this is how the particular question is solved. So let's go to the particular question and answer section and try to solve this particular question. Clear? So let's first understand how we'll write this particular question. So it is given summation of n equals to 1 from n to n equals to infinite n by n to the power 4 plus 4. So what is the first thing that comes into our mind is we have to write the denominator in terms of somehow the numerator. But here what is happening? There is a large disparity in the power of the numerator and the denominator. So what I can write? Can I look into how to update this value? So I'm keeping the summation aside so that we can keep on freely calculating the values. Okay. So n by, can I write n to the power 4 as n square whole square plus 4 as 2 square